Yeah, so we left Tokyo on the bullet train this morning, which was an amazing experience. And a little bit of a delay there, not so much lateness of train, just I'll advise you when you're doing that and you have they give you a QR code, you have to exchange your QR code. Don't think that your QR code can get you through the machines. You need to exchange your QR code for a train ticket. The Hainida Express train, which will take us up into the mountains, into Takayama, which will spend a couple of days up here exploring the countryside. And each prefect that I go to, I'll try and show you bits and pieces from that prefect, anything I think that is unusual. This is where we're staying in Takayama. Very unusual looking building, but all these shutters slide across and it's absolutely freaky looking, but actually it's really cool. So this is it, and it's called, look at that, now that is different, part of the hotel, and we have access to all this. So you just come in, you've got these stone bits, you step up, you can just chill and relax. It's very, very, very minimalistic and just cool. So as you can see, I'm trying to live that little bit of a Japanese experience while I'm here. Just calm, bit relaxed, bit spiritual, bit calming, bit peaceful, and very zen, very, yeah. You just come in here, this is a communal area, and you just chill and relax. So this is it, yeah. These rooms are very unusual. So you have this little section where your slippers are kept. You come in, this is really different. So what we've got here. So you've got your little shower area here. This is very different. And over this side, I take it must be, yep, one of the famous toilets. Oh yeah, look at that control. There's enough buttons on there to frighten you, innit? And then we come in. So the room is like this. You've got this section here, 2 beds. You've got a little sink area. It's really cool. Then you've got these ladder steps and you go up. So I sort of, and then you've got 2 more beds up here. Look at this. Is this not different? So you just don't want to sleepwalk at night, because you know what, you're going right off the edge. But yeah, and this is where we are. This is where we're going to be for a couple of nights. And yeah, there'll be lots more. So Takayama, different places, but today we're in Takayama, going to be here for a couple of days. So keep watching, and yeah, lots more to be continued. You will see. There you go. Bye bye.